Hi, Miss Vioni Christine Ramos. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Bion Christine Ramos, 37 years old. I'm living in Metro Manila, Pasig City. I have living partner in 17 years.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 4 kids, 1 boy and 3 girls. The age is 13, 9, 7, and the youngest is 3 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 2 siblings and I'm the youngest.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate, ma'am.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have an experience in the Philippines as all-around housemaid for 2 years. My duties are taking care of children, boy, 4 years old, girl, 2 years old. I also doing household, cleaning the house, laundering, cooking, and dishwashing. Also the ironing.
Okay. So, how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, loyal, trustworthy, and friendly person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To better future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how you would handle a naughty child and a children with tantrums?
I will give the toy and play with them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me, I will do my best and I will finish my contract. Thank you.